I used to spend my weekends absolutely buried in yard work, lawn care, clearing brush, trimming trees, even washing the house exterior by hand. It was endless. I didn't have the fancy power tools, and honestly, I couldn't afford to buy them all. Every weekend, I'd wake up sore, tired, and dreading another 2 days of back-breaking labor. My neighbors had these pristine yards, and I was out there with a handsaw and a bucket. I was exhausted, and my weekends were gone, swallowed by chores. I just wanted to relax, maybe catch a game on Sunday afternoon, but there was always something else to do. Then, it hit me. Why buy when I could rent? I heard about Xenia Tool Rental right here in Xenia, Ohio. I figured it was worth a shot, and let me tell you, it changed everything. Now, I can get professional grade equipment for a fraction of the cost of buying it. The right tools make all the difference. That massive tree trimming job, done in an hour. The exterior wash, a breeze. My yard looks incredible, and I'm not spending every waking moment working on it. Best of all, my Sundays are mine again. I'm finally catching those football games, spending time with family, and actually enjoying my home. Xenia Tool Rental gave me my weekends back, and so much more. If you're tired of the grind, do yourself a favor and check them out. It's a game changer.